Okay, so in this unit, what I wanted to discuss with you is that over the past 3-4 months, so every time we're talking about how important it is for us to pay attention to the Quran and see what God is telling us. And so every time it's been substantiated with the mathematics that I call it prime index mathematics, which is totally unknown to us. And so part of these primes are these so-called Emirps. That means that Emirp is simply a prime number or a prime which is written backwards. See? EMIRP, that's Emirp, and that is prime written backwards. So what does that mean? That means that if I have a prime number, so assume I have a prime number A, B, C, D. Okay, so let's assume I have this 4-digit number. Okay, so A, B, and C and D are any integer between 0 and 9, and so they can be repeated. A and B could be equal to each other, it doesn't matter. Okay. And so if I write it as D, C, B, A, I also have another prime, so that's an Emirp. So A, B, C, D is a prime, and then if I write it backwards, then it's another prime number. Okay. So then I go and say, okay, so let me go ahead and look at the 114th Emirp. 114th Emirp, see what it is. 114th Emirp is actually 3299. Okay, 3299 is the 114th Emirp. Okay, so now I want to write this backwards and see what I get. If I write it backwards, I'll get 9923. This number is also a prime number, so because since it's an Emirp, this ABCD and DCDA is also a prime number. And if I look at the index of this, it's 237. 237. Okay. Then we see that 237 is equal to 3 times 79. So we have a number 379, and 379th lonely Gaussian prime is 9127. Okay, so what is this telling you? These small numbers here, they are telling you that Quran has 114 chapters. And well, majority of people agree on that. You know, there's some people say, well, it could be 115, 113, doesn't matter. And there are always people like that, but it's okay. All right. So, if it has 114 chapters, chapter 9 of this book has to have 127 verses. That's what the math is telling us. And as I said, this math is beyond our wildest imagination. Okay. So, the other thing that you also have to notice here, God has given us all of these things because this is a 19-base mathematics. Okay? Look at the last two numbers that I wrote, 379 and 9127. And just add up the digits. 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 9 is 19. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 7 is 19. See that? Because that's what he told us. He told us, over this sign, عليها 19. Over this sign is 19. That's what the sign is. Okay, so he put that as the beacon for us. So we recognize it. Okay. And so if I want, as I said, if I want to talk about these things, it's going to be a whole day talk about this. Fine. So when do we get this? All of this information, when do we get it? Okay. So we'll go to a we'll go to the web, and we simply say, Emirp. Okay, and then it comes here, and then it comes to right here. If you scroll down a little bit, the best one I've looked at is list of Emirps from 1 to 1,000 prime numbers. And so there they are. It's already done for you. You don't have to do it. So let's go to 114, which is 3299. There it is. 114th Emirp is 3,299. Okay. That's what I wrote. And then we go to the Emirp of that, which is 9923. So we scroll it down a little bit. And we come in here and it says 9923. We click on that. And that's the secret that we start with Emirp is 9923. And that's what I wrote. So you don't have, the information that you're looking for is already there. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to write a program to do this for you. The program has already been written, is tabulated, and all you have is just to click, point and click, and it's there. Okay. So what we had today, as we said, that these numbers are available. We don't have to do anything. We don't have to know computer programming to do this. Somebody else has done it. All you have to just look at it, and you see it. The thing that one actually has to ask this question, a person who was a fair person, and somebody who's fair and just, should ask, why would 114th Emirp coincide with 237? Why should it be like that? Then 237 is equal to 379. Why 379 Gaussian, lonely Gaussian prime is supposed to be 9127? Why? Why did they add up to 19? Why did God say, oh, it is 19? You have to ask these questions. Why? Should it be like this? Should there be a book? You have a book which is like this? That tells you the very surah that you have problems with is coming up over and over and over again as 9127? That people are not sure about those two verses, 120 and 129, and it comes back to you as 9127 and connects that to indisputable parts of the Quran, such as the number of surahs, which is 114. They have a relation there which is unknown to us, but we enjoy it because God has provided it for us. provided the fact that these tables are available, and we don't have to do anything, we don't have to spend any time, we don't have to trust somebody else, or doubt somebody else, that maybe they have something up their sleeve, and somehow they're making these things up. No, you don't even have to do that. Because the person who claims this was me, I didn't even written these things. It's already there. It can be checked. That's the beauty of the Quran. And that's how things progressing in the direction that God is actually telling us that. And in chapter 27, verse 82, he tells us that in the right moment there's a creature made of earthly material which is going to come out and say, my people have abandoned this order. Okay? That's how it is done. That's how he provides the proof for us. As I said, things will be at our fingertips and we can verify them. This is verifiable now. It's not something which is hidden. And can be verified, and if it is wrong, can be rejected immediately. So I'm going to